and all. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These are the words of Jawaharlal Nehru when he attained freedom. Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents and dear friends, today we have gathered here to celebrate our 69th Independence Day. As we all know that on this day, that is 15th August 1947, India got independence from the British imperialism, and since then we got some fundamental rights and overall a right to call India as our own nation, our own motherland. We are fortunate enough to be born in independent India, but history reveals how our ancestors and forefathers suffered in the brutal rule of Britishers. Getting independence from the British was not a cakewalk. It took several decades of struggle, right from 1857 when Mangal Pandey, who was a soldier in British force, first raised the voice against Britishers. Since then, several freedom fighters struggled and even gave their life for freedom. How can one forget Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and Khudiram Bose, who lost their life in a very tender age just for fighting for freedom? How can the struggle of Netaji and Gandhiji be ignored? Gandhiji, who was the key person, taught us how a big battle can be won by non-violence. Finally, the result of the struggle came on 15th August 1947 when India got independence, and since then we proudly celebrate this day. Since 68 years of independence, we have exponentially progressed in every field, right from education, technology, sports, finance and all other fields which were not possible before independence. India is now among the few countries rich in nuclear power. We have been number one in world sports like hockey and cricket. We have won gold medals in Olympics, have been successful in Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. In technical fields, India and Indians are ahead in many countries, and these all developments happened as we got the opportunity in free India. We, the Indians, are proud to be citizens of a free country, having largest democracy in the world. We have got several rights, most of all right to choose government. But on the other side, we should remember our duties too. We have to respect this independence for which our forefathers struggled to the extent of sacrificing everything including their lives. There are some grey areas which we have to get rid of. There are few people using this independence, right, for their self-motives at the cost of the pride of our country. We students, children, are the future of our country. We have to carry what we have been given in a better way. We have to grow up as a responsible citizen, contribute to our level best for growth and development of our motherland, India. Let us take a pledge on the 69th Independence Day that we will respect our independence and will always keep our national flag flying high. So, I proudly say that India is the best and Indians are the greatest. I am proud of being an Indian. I salute Mahatma Gandhi and all other countrymen who have laid down their lives for independence. Jai Hind. Thank you.